In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Project Overview in Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set clear context for your team, assign responsibility, and give everyone the information they need without digging through tasks. Start by opening your project in Asana. You can get there from your sidebar or by searching for the project name. Once the project is open, look across the top of the page and click the Overview tab. This is your project's homepage for context. Think of it as the place where new teammates can land and instantly understand what the work is about, who's involved, and where to find the essentials. Begin with the project description. This should explain the project's goals in a concise, direct way. Aim for a short paragraph that states the purpose, the high-level objective, and what success looks like. For example, you might mention the problem you're solving, the target audience, and one or two measurable outcomes. Keep it clear and free of task-level details. This is about the why and the what, not the how. As the project evolves, come back and update this description so it always reflects the current direction. Next, set project roles. Assign an owner. This is the person ultimately accountable for outcomes, decisions, and keeping the overview up to date. Then specify contributors, the key people who will actively support and execute the work. When adding contributors, think about who needs to be visible at the project level, not every single task assignee. If someone leaves or joins, update roles right away so there's never confusion about who's driving and who's helping. Now create the project brief. In the overview, you'll see the option to open or create a brief. This is where you can provide deeper context, background, scope, key milestones, success metrics, stakeholders, and any risks or assumptions. Use short sections and clear headings so it's easy to scan. Link to important documents, dashboards, or shared folders, and attach files that people frequently reference. Unlike the description, the brief can tell the fuller story, why this matters now, how decisions were made, and what the guardrails are. Keep it living and lightweight. Update it as plans change, and note revisions so the team knows what's new. To wrap up, remember this flow. Use the Overview tab to centralize context, write a crisp description for goals, assign roles to clarify accountability, and build a thoughtful brief for depth. With these in place, your project becomes easier to onboard, easier to manage, and easier to keep aligned as work moves forward.